Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're using Windows 10 and suddenly your mouse or touchpad stops working, don't worry, you're not alone. This is a common issue, and today I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step solution using just your keyboard. That's right, even if your mouse won't move at all, you'll still be able to fix it. So let's dive right in. Step 1. Open Device Manager without a mouse. Since your mouse isn't working, you'll need to navigate entirely with your keyboard. Start by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. Then type Device Manager directly. Don't worry, the search will still work, and once it appears, just hit Enter to open it. But what if nothing shows up or your keyboard doesn't respond in search? In that case, here's another shortcut you can try. Press Windows X at the same time. This opens the Power User menu. Now use the down arrow key to navigate to Device Manager, then hit Enter. Either way, your goal is to get into Device Manager. Step 2. Navigate to your mouse driver. Once Device Manager is open, here's how to reach your mouse settings using only the keyboard. 1. Press the Tab key until the main list of device categories is selected. 2. Use the down arrow key to scroll through the list. 3. Look for a section called Mice and Other Pointing Devices. 4. Press the right arrow key to expand it. 5. Then press the down arrow again to highlight your mouse driver. This could be labeled something like AT Compliant Mouse. Once your mouse driver is selected, press Enter to open its Properties window. Step 3. Try updating the driver. Now let's try updating the driver. 1. Press the Tab key repeatedly until the tabs at the top are highlighted. 2. Use the right arrow key to switch to the Driver tab. 3. Press Tab again until the Update Driver button is highlighted. 4. Hit Enter to select it. 5. Choose Search automatically for drivers using the arrow keys, then hit Enter. Make sure your computer is connected to the internet. If an update is available, it will download and install automatically. If not, Windows will let you know the best drivers are already installed. Step 4. Uninstall and reinstall the mouse driver. If updating doesn't help, here's what to do next. 1. Press Tab until the Uninstall Device button is selected. 2. Hit Enter, then Enter again to confirm the uninstallation. 3. This will remove your current mouse driver from the system. Don't worry, we're going to bring it back. Step 5. Scan for hardware changes. Once the driver is uninstalled, 1. Press the Alt key to activate the menu bar at the top. 2. Use the right arrow key to highlight the Action menu. 3. Press Enter, or simply press the A key as a shortcut. 4. Use the arrow keys to select Scan for hardware changes, then hit Enter. Windows will now automatically detect your missing mouse and reinstall the necessary driver. Once it's done, your mouse should start working again. Step 6. Restart if needed. If for some reason your mouse still doesn't work, repeat the process. Uninstall the driver again, then this time, restart your computer. To restart using only the keyboard, 1. Press Windows X again. 2. Use the down arrow key to highlight the Shutdown or Sign Out option. 3. Use the right arrow to move to Restart, then press Enter. Once your system reboots, the mouse should function normally again. And that's it. You've just learned how to fix a non-working mouse or trackpad in Windows 10 using only your keyboard. If this video helped you, please smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more useful Windows tips. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.